mentioned, and I don't really want to address Ms. Eubanks directly, so I'll address to the court.
Okay.
That we went through, I already stated, we went through the process of finding out the status and based on the recovery of my son and all the other things that went into that. But then I had to step away from that and deal with the business at hand. I'm running a business.
How
and
bad?
What I have,
how bad? I'm just curious. How bad was her performance prior?
Well, this is what I'm getting to. Thanks for the segue. But I have her last. I have 3 of her last performance reviews I'd like to present to the court.
No.
Okay.
I'm going to take your word for it. I'm going to take your word for it.
Well, the performances
so her
were below,
performance prior
below expectations from 3 different clients and 3 different objectives that we had set for her. We do goals every year.
It was not satisfactory.
They were below what we call there's either meet expectations, exceed expectations, or below expectations. And all her ratings were below expectations, meaning expectations of a certain date to deliver the deliverables, if you will.
Gotcha.
Okay. So I have those 3 here to present to you.
No.
Okay.
You have to, I'm going to take your word for
Okay.
it. What you're saying is that her performance was not satisfactory.
From a business perspective.
Prior to...
Not from a humanity perspective.
No. It's strictly
she's an
business.
ideal... from a humanistic point of view, she's the best. She saved my son's life.
No, we're talking about business now.
Strictly about
from
business.
From a business
yes.
standpoint,
yes.
she sucked. That's what you're saying.
Sorry?
She sucked.
Well, I wouldn't use those phrases, but okay. She was below expectations, below par.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's where I'm lost at. Here's where I'm lost. You put out a memorandum company-wide that your son needed this bone marrow transplant, hoping that somebody within the company would read this and say, you know what, I may be a match. Because correct me if I'm wrong, ma'am, you had to do testing to make sure that you were a match prior.
Correct. Yes.
When the testing occurred and did you guys ever speak prior to this thing? Say, hey, I'm a match. I'm going to go through it. Did you guys had this conversation, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You knew that she was a match.
After we went through the hospital.
Wait a minute. You knew that this woman here was a match.
Yes, sir.
Okay. She accepted the call, correct? Am I correct in saying that?
Yes.
You knew that this woman was a match and she accepted the call to do the bone marrow to save your son.
Correct.
You didn't have a problem with that, correct?
No.
There was no problem with that.
The key is the match, correct.
Yeah, okay. It went through. Your son is okay. You feel good about what you did, correct?
Yes.
You feel good about what she did for that.
I'll always be indebted to her and always appreciate
Here's
her.
where I'm having an issue with. She was a poor employee. Her performance was below standard, which tells me that prior to this operation, you had already made in your mind that you were going to terminate her.
No, I was.
So what was the factor that said that I need to terminate her?
That's a heck of a jump, Your Honor. I mean, that's
No, because prior you just said that she was a poor employee. You have documentation.
Yes.
That she's a poor employee.
Correct.
So in your mind already, she